Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something exciting to check out. The brand new TechLife Pad Lite 8. This is TechLife's latest budget-friendly LTE tablet, designed for learning, entertainment, and productivity, all for just Philippine peso for 1,999. Let's see what's inside the box and find out why this might be one of the best budget tablets you can get right now in the Philippines. Alright, let's open it up. The first thing we see is the tablet itself, securely wrapped to keep it safe during shipping. I have to say, my first impression is that it's surprisingly light for its size. It's just 8.5 millimeters thin and weighs around 338 grams, making it easy to hold with one hand. The unit I have here is in the lilac purple color, which looks modern and stylish, but it's also available in champagne gold. If you want something more classic and elegant, let's set the tablet aside for a moment and check what else is inside the box. We've got the detachable stand cover, and I love that they included this, because you don't have to buy a separate stand. This makes it so much easier to watch videos, join online classes, or work on documents without holding the tablet the whole time. Next, we have the Type-C charging cable and the 10W power adapter, which should fully charge the device in about 4 hours. We also have the SIM ejector tool for the hybrid SIM tray, and of course, the quick start guide for setup instructions. Now, let's go back to the star of the show, the TechLife Pad Lite 8. On the front, we have an 8-inch HD display with a resolution of 800 x 1280 pixels and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. That's going to make scrolling and animations feel smoother compared to most budget tablets that only have 60 Hz displays. The bezels are slim enough to give you a decent screen-to-body ratio, while still having space to hold the device comfortably. Right at the top, we have a 5MP front camera, perfect for Zoom calls, Google Meet classes, or even casual vlogging. Flip it over to the back and you'll find another 5MP camera with flash. It's not meant to replace your phone camera, but it's definitely handy for scanning documents, taking quick photos for school, or even recording short clips. Under the hood, the TechLife Pad Lite 8 is powered by the Unisoc T606 Octa-Core processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM that you can expand virtually up to 8 GB storage-wise. You're getting 64 GB of internal space, but the hybrid SIM tray also supports micros cards up to 1 TB. That's more than enough for apps, videos, and thousands of photos. One of the standout features here is the battery. It packs a 6,000 mAh battery that TechLife claims can last for more than a day on a single charge. For video streaming, you're looking at around 7.5 hours of playback, or close to 30 hours if you're just listening to music. It also supports 5W reverse charging, meaning you can use it as a power bank to charge your other devices. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Apps Gadget.